everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to go through how to change your drums on a Xerox VersaLink C600 and C605 printer. First thing you're going to want to do is open your right side cover. You'll remove your waste toner container by pressing down the orange button and rolling it out. Now here are your drums. We have a latch handle in orange right here. You just grab the top of it, roll it down, and it unlocks just like that. You grab that same handle and you pull straight out on the drum. I like to put my hand under it, cradle it, and support it while I come out, and there's your drum. Remember, try not to touch the green surface or nick it because it will mess up your print quality. Now to go back in, the drum side will be pointed up. You'll set it right where it goes into its slot, and then give it a couple slides to make sure you're in the right spot, and then push it all the way in. You'll lift up on that orange lock handle and lock it back into place. Over here on the left side is your lens cleaning rod. It has a horseshoe shape, and right here where that orange lock handle was is also a horseshoe shaped hole. And you'll run that rod down that lens about 3 times, and you'll clean that lens off. And when you're done, you just stow that cleaning rod right back in that right side hole, and you'll replace your waste toner container by setting it in its gray trough, rolling it into place, pushing until it latches, and then close your right side cover, and you're done. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.